Na-diagnose with type 2 diabetes, pwede po ba ako mag-low carb kahit nag-maintenance? Yes po, pwede naman po. A word of caution, you have to tell your doctor na kayo ay nagbabago ng inyong lifestyle para po sa gano'n na-adjust yung gamot. Kasi it really depends on gaano kalala yung inyong diabetes. It depends anong klaseng gamot ang binigay sa inyo. Over time, that medication has to be adjusted as you improve your lifestyle kasi uunti po yung requirement ninyo for the medication. And the other thing too is, it's important to understand that you can truly wean off of that. Ibig sabihin, pwede talagang matanggal ang inyong gamot, pero best itong gawin sa tulong at gabay ng inyong doctor din. Just tell your doctor. Pag alam niyo na medyo yung doctor ninyo baka kumontra sa low carb like many doctors, right? Some of the doctors who don't know much about this lifestyle, akala nila, ito parang fad. But in fact, if you look at yung mga major organizations like Canadian Diabetes Association, American Diabetes Association, yung sa Australian Diabetes Association, yung mga associations yan are already recognizing na ang first step talaga is lifestyle, and they've already put in the position statements about yung very low carbohydrate nutrition, a strategy that you can try. So may mga doctors pa rin sa Philippines who don't know about this or don't want to acknowledge this. And so sinasabi nila, fad lang yan, don't do that. So if your doctor is one of those na medyo pinapagalitan kayo, marami din naman ng mga open-minded, right? Because sila, they keep abreast with the changes sa mga position statements. Now, kung ang doktor ninyo ay against sa ganito, sabihin nyo na lang, Doc, nagla-lifestyle change po ako. Tulungan nyo lang po ako, Doc, na bawasan itong gamot ko, i-monitor po natin. Conscientious doctor, isang doktor na talagang careful sa ginagawa niya, will continue to monitor yung inyong pong mga results. So a conscientious doctor will tell you, sige, let's monitor every 3 months yung iyong blood work, and then if nag-i-improve nga, dahan-dahang tatanggalin po. Pero certainly, if you've just been diagnosed, you're taking maintenance medication, ano pa man yan, diabetes man yan, high blood pressure, cholesterol, you can do low carb together with taking the medication and work with your doctor in getting them to wean off, dahan-dahang tinatanggal yung gamot with the guidance ng objective measure like your laboratory, yung inyong blood pressure, yung inyong weight. So marami po tayong titingnan dyan ng mga objective measures. Ano po?